This is one of those moments in life that makes it worth living.
Amehlo amhlophe.
Yebo, amehlo amhlophe. Khosi wena umzilo omkhulu.
Good. Shall we...
Is it peace?
Sihlangene ngokuthula na.
Yebo. Thina siza ngokuthula.
It is peace.
Shall we,
Speak.
Oh, khuluma.
Umzilikazi. Khosi yamaNdebele. Yaqonda isiganga. Inyuka intaba. Yawela imifula.
He's telling the saga of the Matabele nation, whom he calls the children of the stars. How Mzilikazi, the father of Lobengula, led them to this land. And how Lobengula succeeded Mzilikazi. And how the white men came, greedy for gold.
What I want to know is, are the eyes white? Is it peace?
Sihlangene ngokuthula na.
Yebo. Sihlangene ngokuthula. Asiyekelele ukudla. Mina Sumabulani.
He says that is his assegai and that is his rifle. They are tokens of surrender.
Uma kusho ukuthi inye vomu nomzana into singeke sivume. Ukuthi siphinde sibuswe umunye futhi ngaphandle kwakho.
But they will submit only to you. You must stay in the country and see that justice is done. You must not come and go as is your way.
You have my word. You send in your weapons, and I will remain amongst you.
What do you have, woman?
Is it peace?
Sihlangene ngokuthula ne.
Yeah. Amehlo amhlophe baba.
What? Ziliganzi, the father of Lobengula.
I know what it is. Put that away. Come run and get up here, man. Tamabala, you two. Hear the words of Ulazi. I will ride with you to the tomb of Mzilikazi. And I will make my peace with his spirit. And I promise you that the men who did this evil thing will be hunted down and severely punished. Zikazi!